This is basically in a high level overview of what a journey in the end looks like. It all starts with assessing and preparing. For the assessment, we have the help of a very good set of tools to do this very quickly. This doesn't need to take forever, and we are very well trained not to fall into the trap of analysis paralysis. And we use these tools to get very quickly to results that documentation that we can share with all the stakeholders and talk about creating that case for change. A TCO report, a rapid discovery, and also if the tools and the reports are not sufficient and you want to get a little bit deeper into the matter, we organize briefings and workshops, but also very important immersion days. And these can be, one full day, can be multiple days. And at NorthBay, we even have a special, which we call a jam session, and that is can take up to 2, maybe 3 weeks, where we take your actual data and we actually going to build something together. The only investment we ask from you is to have your people join us and participate. And this is because it's going to be very intense, but we're going to do and build something in your environment with your data. After the assessment is over and we get the green light from the the stakeholders and the executives, we get into the meat of mobilizing the journey. And that has many aspects to it, as you can see here in the green. It's a more detailed discovery and planning, where we also leverage tools to get deeper into the actual workloads that needs to be migrated. The landing zone is a place that we set up so that any workload that is going to be migrated finds a proper place and we don't have to fix in a later stage. So we want to make sure that everything is prepared so that when even the first one is moved over, it will end up in a more or less permanent position. Of course, people need to get up with their skills, so training will be involved. Center of Excellences, we've seen various forms. People have decentralized per business unit, sometimes a central cloud team. The part is that we get this all organized, because when we start migrating, we want eventually, especially if it's a big migration and a lot of workloads are involved, we want to see where we can automate as much as possible to speed things up. Usually the first migration takes a little bit longer. But we feel that being prepared, well prepared, and have that first experience, we can fine-tune, correct any oversights, and then we can also work on where it makes sense to automate some of the migrations so that we can do the subsequent migrations a lot faster.